Hi, we did some research and found out that a lot of you want to learn how to create a website without having to code. Well, thanks to HubSpot, now anyone can create exciting and powerful websites. And the best part, you don't have to code at all. Sounds exciting, right? So keep watching this video to find out how you can create a website on HubSpot in 4 simple steps. So let's get started. So the first thing that you have to do is create a HubSpot account. Don't worry, it's completely free. So once you're done with your account creation, you'll get a dashboard like this. From there, go to marketing, you'll find a drop-down list. Select website. Again, you'll get 3 options: website page, landing page, and blog. Since in today's video, we are showing you how to create a website using HubSpot, I'm selecting website here. So I'll click on create and this is what I get. So as you can see, I have this option of selecting themes and templates from HubSpot. So that's the beauty of HubSpot. There's no one size fits all solution. You can create any theme or any template you want to that goes with the vibe of your brand, that goes with the vibe of your website you want to create, and you can edit it accordingly. So then you have to name your website or the page that you are creating. Click on create and this is what you get. So as you can see on the right side, there are so many built-in tools that you can use to modify your web page as per your requirements. Okay, so if I go on edit rich text, I'll get the option to add or modify the content of my website. I can change the color, I can change the content, I can change the font size, font type, make it bold or anything. So whatever content you want to add to your website in this particular section, you can do it from here, and then you have to click on apply changes. So once you're done with that, you can click on preview and see how your web page looks like after you have made the changes. And if there's any error or if there is any modification that needs to be made, you'll get an idea about that from this particular section. Now, the next thing that I can do is I can add my own video to the website. So right now, this is the video that came with the template itself. But I want to add my own website. So what I need to do is simply have to copy paste the URL of the video that I want to add and simply click on apply changes and it's done. So you see how HubSpot makes it really easy for you to create a website the way you want it to look like. Are you intrigued yet? Well, we tried to cover as much as we could in this video. However, if you want to learn how to download a template on HubSpot, find the link to the ebook in the description and download it for free. And if you have any suggestions for us, please feel free to drop them in the comment section and we'll try to work on them. Thank you.